who's ready to get down and dirty today. The cats and knuckleheads have been fed. It's time to get over to the workshop and try to get that in some kind of order so that I can get on the next restoration project. That nice Marantz quadrail quadraphonic. I think it's a model 4200. It is a big boy, but can't really work too well unless I get things cleaned up in the shop. And yeah, I know we've done this a couple dozen times over 10 years. I know. Let's get over there. It's a beautiful day today. I think this is, I gotta repair this thing. This is kind of funny kitchen stadium. This is really gonna make you laugh. I think the only thing holding this thing together is a, what is that, like a 5-iron? My old Jack Nicklaus from the 80s or whatever. Look at the way that thing is pitched over. It's not even a straight line under there. Bells and just tape and wire. What a mess holding all this together. But the important thing is, it is, and there goes my coffee all over, it is at least holding up. So I got the big doors open today. That's kind of a rarity. I never really had them open, but I got to get this heated up a little bit because it was frost this morning. So we don't really have that bad when you consider that I think I've done a fairly good job of trying to keep this place in good order. But I would like to get some things put away, reclaim my bench, and I think I'll be pretty happy today in another Rancho project. This is maintained pretty good here, sorting out all the, yeah, I know you guys are like, wow, you need a lot of stuff to keep a Rancho going there. Yes, I do. There's always things to be repaired, and I like things to be in good order with some semblance. I just sprayed the fruit trees again for peach leaf curl. So we should be pretty good in that regard. This is what happens when you have no order. You end up having 3 tape measures of the same ones. You just keep buying the same stuff. Same thing with paintbrushes. It's the mark of a disordered mind. But I'm going to try to do better. It's one of my intentions for 2023. I've got to put the Christmas stuff back up. Brave these Black Widows up there, because that is a Black Widow-torium up there on top. But I'm excited. Let's go to it. I need to also change out these bulbs to LEDs in keeping with reducing costs. So I think I'm going to do that first. I'm going to cut the power here and then go get the bulbs and replace that. I think that's going to be important because everybody in this area is griping about horrendous, I mean horrendous electric bills. Have gone like from 300 to 800. So there's people living cold. There's people, you know, the standard living is definitely going down. No doubt about that. And I don't really see if it's going to get better, but we can always hope. So let's get on it. Let me get the ladder and we'll get going. I guess I'm just going to have to go with the 40 watts. In the future, I think I'll try to pick up the 60s. I do have the CFLs, but I just don't know if they function the same for sure. I'm not in here a lot, but I will be. So it's definitely worth changing them out. Plus, I got this old kind here. Please, no Black Widows today. So these kinds should just be permanently deep sixed, as they ain't gonna cut it anymore. I'm renowned for my butterfingers, as you already got the coffee whacked today for sure. All over the place. All right, there's number 1. Let's check our other ones here. All right. Supposed to just be 7 cents or something for 7 cents for getting them going, so that's replaced. All right, onward. Doesn't seem bad at all. I know the back door's open, but I think this would be pretty good, and it's going to save a little. It's going to, at the margin, it's going to help save a little bit more money. I don't know what to keep the old bulbs just in case. You never know. So I think next thing I want to do is get up the Christmas decorations, because I'm still slipping on all of that stuff. And yeah, beautiful day out. Picture window perfect. People have asked about this. I have a video where I actually found this on the side of the road. I couldn't even believe it. But that there it was. So I restored it, and it works real well. Luckily there's no gasoline in it, so I'll probably fire this up this afternoon and see how she goes. I don't know, it never had the air cleaner, but it seems to work okay. The only thing I had to do was some of the spray tips were missing, so I got some new ones there. Oh yeah. It's coming along pretty good. My favorite 1928 General Electric oscillating fan. What a piece of history. I forgot how to turn it on. There it is. You don't build them like that anymore. How nice is that? Real old school. Baby kicks it out. Love it. Looking pretty good over here. Continuing to get rid of some stuff that I don't really need. Neatening that up. I got all the Christmas stuff put away. One thing I want to do is make sure that we start the generator once in a while. I'm not going to go through this replacing of the carburetor. Oh, hold on a minute. What do you guys think? It's just something about having stuff neat and clean, and gradually getting better at maintaining it. It's not as bad as it was a year ago. It's horrible, but it's looking good. One thing I want to do, I haven't started this thing in years, this Ryobi that I found. So let's put a little fuel in here and hope we don't have a clogged up carburetor here like the other one. We shall see. It's trying. Side of a road somewhere, like
just
maybe West Avenue or something down there.
That's cool. Look, it's got all these.
Yeah, I had to buy all these.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, because it was the only thing that was missing.
Okay.
They dumped this but kept the chips, so I had to buy the chips. But
what was wrong with it?
I have no idea. I mean, I fixed some carburation issue I fixed up, so
Okay.
working good. Probably been 3-4 years since it was started, so
Oh, well, it started. Look, that's
yeah,
awesome.
it's ready to go.
Couple packs.
Ready to go for springtime cleanup.
Sometimes I would pressure wash like the houses.
Yeah,
And I like to do.
there you go.
I guess the garages. Sometimes the garages.
Yeah, some people will go around and just pressure spraying business, offer people to clean up their spray and stuff. So, all right, guys, well, mission accomplished on that. That'll obviously need an oil change before I really put it into use, but good. That's going to be a wrap today. Got everything done inside that I wanted to do. All the equipment's working good. I think I finally got stuff where I can find it. So, look at how beautifully clean the bench is. We're ready to get started on a restoration project. And if you're like me, you are very excited about that. Especially because it's a Marantz. Hey, if you're not subscribed to the channel, you're missing a lot of fun stuff here. Last night we made a, on the barbecue grill, a chicken pot pie. Did shop cleanup today and going to be doing the restoration. There's always something cool going on. Travel, good stuff. I'd love you to be a part of it. So please subscribe and hit the bell for all notifications. Don't forget also the Rosie Murphy channel, which is my sister channel, is mostly for live streams Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Friday and Sunday we are live here. Okay, so make sure to join the fun. I'll leave the link for the Rosie Murphy channel down below. Make sure you join me most afternoons, 5 p.m. West Coast time. Woo! Thumbs up, I appreciate it.